I'm digging into this 19 Chevy Equinox all-wheel drive 2.0 turbo. I'm going to show you the location of the thermostat and the ECT to correct the problem on this car. So you have to remove the air intake pipe in front of the turbo. Jude was going to try and service it from the bottom, but I was able to gain access with a 1/4-inch drive swivel and then a 10mm drive swivel, and sneak my wrench down under there without taking off the intercooler plumbing. I don't know why the other shop couldn't fix it, and I really don't care at this point. The ECT is back here. Did you get the ECT out already?
No, I just got to it.
So the ECT is in the top of the thermostat, the water outlet on this side. And I don't know why the clamp was never put on to that hose there, which blows my mind. But we will put that back together once we get to that point there. So that's... I think they hooked up like a coolant flush machine. I don't know, dude. I can't answer for the stuff that other shops do because it makes no sense. So we're gonna get this all fixed up. Customer on our way. No BS, nothing crazy here. No special tools required besides the tool between your ears. Well, a little bit of special tools. You gotta have 1/4-inch drive, double and triple swivels like me. So I have 10mm swivel, 1/4-inch drive universal. I have universal, the whole snap-on set in chrome U-joint style, which I hate. Ball socket is my favorite. Have the right tools here, and in your toolbox. Thanks for watching.